Hello colleagues, and welcome to the intro of our groundbreaking RedStripe hammer drill bits for concrete, the ultimate solution for tackling the toughest concrete drilling challenges with unparalleled precision and efficiency. Masonry drill bits are designed for drilling holes in concrete and bricks, found mainly in segments of construction and redecoration. However, their adaptability makes them a valuable tool also for contractors, electricians, plumbers, and carpenters in processes that demand neat drilled holes for the installation of structures and furniture. They are used with rotary hammers, machines equipped with a rotary and impact mechanism in charge for the proper drilling movement in such hard materials as concrete. Anatomy of a masonry drill bit. Masonry drill bits are constituted of four key components: shank, flute, shoulder, and tip. The shank works as the connection point to the machine. The flute is responsible for the dust extraction. It aids on a higher drilling speed without clogging. The shoulder, in addition to working as a breaker, improves concrete breakup performance and speeds up drilling. It is made of tungsten carbide, an extremely hard material for drilling through tough ones. And here it goes, an important hint. An extremely clean shoulder insert shows that the process was manually done, meaning it was cleaned by human hands. A machine cannot do it. An automatic process, where welding stains are shown, guarantees a more accurate positioning of the carbide tips. The result is a more concentric drilled hole. The tip is the working end that interacts with the surfaces to be drilled. It provides a precise drilling due to its pointy design. Types and applications. RedStripe offers a comprehensive range of masonry drill bits types to cater to various applications. Let's check each one of them in details. Two-cutter type. Two-cutter. This type creates a more aggressive cutting action, allowing for faster penetration through concrete. Its increased speed reduces drilling time and improves productivity, aiding to preserve battery power with an ideal design for cordless machines. Four-cutter type. Four-cutter offers a superior and precise drilled hole throughout an optimum guidance. The multiple cutting edges ensure consistent hole diameters and smooth, clean surfaces. This precision is crucial in applications where precise hole placement and tight tolerances are required. Moreover, in comparison to the two-cutter type, the four-cutter offers a geometry that prevents the bit from hooking into steel reinforcements inside of the concrete. Plus versus Max. SDS Plus and SDS Max are standardized shank types for rotary hammer drills. SDS Plus is smaller and lighter, designed for light to medium-duty applications. The shank of SDS Plus chisels have 10 millimeters of diameter. Its design has two round grooves and two slots that guarantee a higher grip and avoids the drill bit to spin. It is indicated for hammers up to 5 kilograms. SDS Max is larger and heavier, designed for heavy-duty applications. The shank of SDS Max chisels have 18 millimeters of diameter. It has 3 grooves and 2 slots for a better grip, avoiding the drill bit to spin while in operation, indicated for hammers above 5 kilograms. Now, a quick overview between both shanks. Once the fundamentals have been reviewed, we will look at the main advantages of our range. Thank you for exploring the RedStripe Masonry Rotary Drills range, a blend of precision, performance, and durability. Come along with us on this revolution in performance and affordability now. RedStripe.